Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to an air show and I am going to take you with me to the air show and I'll show you my outfit. So this is my outfit. It's like a corset and these are the shoes. So stay tuned. Let's see how it goes. We made it to the air show. So there are lots of people. It's gonna be amazing. So this is the ticket. So many different planes here. Look at this one. So beautiful. She looks so pretty. I know she's a girl because why not? Now the Blue Angels are gonna perform after some minutes and it's gonna be the best.
Manner in which the sixth demonstration pilots approach.
Blue Angels have done performing and oh my god, they did a fantastic job. They were so good. And now I am basically seeing what can I have. I got a lemonade for myself. It's yummy. It's refreshing and too windy. So we got to click pictures with the airshow pilots, the Blue Angel pilots. So it was so amazing. They look so good. They did a really fantastic job, I'm telling you. So here are people clicking pictures with them. After the air show, we are here to eat Indian food. I'll show you what we have ordered. So I was craving for something sweet and then I decided to order salmon. So I am back from the air show and I think it was one of the amazing things which I saw. And yes, so I hope you like this video and stay tuned for more further videos. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye guys.